Your chair isn't the enemy, but sitting in it all day long without moving, that's a slow recipe for stiffness, fatigue, and burnout. But the good news is, you don't need any fancy equipment or extra time. Just a chair, some mindful movement, and a few minutes with me. Hi, I am Roshni, a certified yoga coach and a wellness facilitator. I teach traditional Hatha yoga in a way that goes beyond the mat, guiding busy professionals and homemakers through simple practices that build discipline and healthy habits. My aim is not just to help you start, but to help you stay consistent and experience real transformation over time. If you are new here, do subscribe and click the bell icon. I share weekly content to help you heal naturally and live more mindfully. Long hours of sitting, especially at a desk, can compress the spine, tighten the hips, weaken the core, and reduce circulation in your legs. Your body is designed to move, and when you stay still for hours, certain muscles overwork, like your neck and lower back, while others switch off completely. This imbalance leads to neck and shoulder tension, lower back discomfort, tight hips and hamstrings, fatigue, and reduced focus. And the most important part, it doesn't happen all at once. These effects build up quietly until one day even basic movement feels uncomfortable. Chair yoga is not a shortcut. It's a conscious way of bringing mindful movement into your everyday. It helps boost the blood flow, reduce stiffness, improve posture, refresh the mind, and reset your energy in just 5 to 10 minutes. Even better, you don't need to leave your chair. You don't even need to change your clothes. Let us now grab a chair and sit on it. Before we start chair exercises, just quick few tips to keep in mind. Make sure your feet are flat on the ground. If they aren't, place a small stool or a firm object under them. Don't let them hang. It causes unnecessary strain on your thighs, knees, and the spine. Sit tall with your spine straight. Avoid slouching or leaning back. You can use a cushion if needed to bring your hips forward and support your lower back. Also, keep some space between your back and the chair for better posture awareness. Let us now get started with some movements. Let us now start with the neck rolls first. So we are going to inhale and look up, and exhale and slowly look down, bringing our chin closer to the chest. Let us do it for one more time. Inhale and look up, and exhale and slowly look down, bringing your chin closer to the chest. One last round. Inhale and look up, and exhale and slowly look down. Inhale, come back in center and relax. You're going to now start with neck twisting. So inhale in center. As you exhale, slowly start twisting your head. Look to one side. Inhale back in center and exhale and twist to the other side. One more time. Inhale in center, exhale and twist. Inhale back in center, exhale and twist. One more time. Inhale in center, exhale and twist. Inhale back in center, exhale and twist to the other side. Inhale in center and relax. We'll start with the lateral bending of the neck side to side. So you can just keep your right hand onto the shoulder, left hand onto the head. Inhale here. As you exhale, slowly bend your head on one side. Gently put pressure on the right shoulder. Inhale and rise up in center. One more time. Exhale and bend. Feel a nice stretch onto the side of your neck. And inhale, rise up. One last time. Exhale and slowly bend. And inhale and slowly rise up and come in center. Relax. Let us do it on the other side. Keep your left hand onto the left shoulder. Right hand onto the head. Inhale here. As you exhale, slowly bend your head to the right side. Inhale, rise up in center. Exhale and slowly bend. Just exert the gentle pressure from the left hand onto the left shoulder so that you do not lift it up. Inhale and rise up. One more time. Exhale and bend. Feel the nice stretch, the tension releasing from the side of your neck. And inhale and slowly rise up and relax. So these neck movements loosen the cervical tension, especially after the screen time. Let us now start with some wrist rotations. Just stretch your hands forward, make a fist and start with the wrist rotation, doing it for clockwise. Wonderful. And on anti-clockwise. We'll now start with some shoulder rotations. You can just make circles with your shoulders. And then start with anti-clockwise as well. You can even do hand supported shoulder rotations by keeping the fingers on your shoulder tips, joining your elbows. Inhale, lift your shoulders up, open up your chest, exhale and come forward. One more time. Inhale, open up your chest. Exhale, come forward. Just make big circular motions. Now let us start in the reverse direction. Inhale, take it from down, open your chest, exhale and come forward. One more time. Inhale, open, exhale, forward. Inhale, open, exhale, forward and close and slowly relax. Let us now start with seated side stretches. Just make sure that you keep both your sit bones grounded, and with the left hand you can hold the chair. With the right hand, raise up and slowly bend onto the left side. Inhale, rise up. Now with the right hand, hold the side of the chair and exhale and bend onto the right side. One more time. Inhale, rise up. Exhale and bend. Inhale, rise up and exhale and bend to the other side. One last time. Inhale, rise up, exhale and bend with a gentle smile on your face. Inhale, rise up and exhale and bend to the other side. Inhale, rise up and slowly relax. Let us now start with spinal twist. For that, bring both the legs together. Bring your hands in line with the shoulders. Inhale here, and as you exhale, keep your right hand on the left knee, left hand at the back of the chair and look back. Inhale back in center and exhale and twist to the other side. One more time. Inhale in center, exhale and twist. Inhale in center and exhale and twist. Inhale back in center. Let me also show you the side view of the same spinal twist. You can also keep your hands stretched forward. Inhale here. As you exhale, twist and look back. Inhale back in center, exhale and twist and look back on the other side. One more time. Inhale in center, exhale and twist. Inhale back in center and exhale and twist to the other side. Inhale in center and slowly relax. Now we are going to practice seated cat and cow. It's a very powerful movement to help build the flexibility in your spine. For that, we are going to inhale, open up our arms, pull our chest forward towards the ceiling, arch in the back. And as we exhale, we are going to tuck our chest in and hug ourselves. Hunch. One more time, we are going to inhale, open up our arms, pull the chest towards the ceiling, creating an arch in the back. And as we exhale, we are going to tuck our chest inside and hug ourselves, hunching at the back. And slowly relax. I'll just show you the same movement from the side as well. Let us now do the same cat and cow stretch, and you can view from the side. Especially observe the arching and the hunching of the spine. So you are going to inhale, open up your arms, pull your chest forwards toward the ceiling with an arch in the back, and exhale and slowly tuck your chest inside and hug yourself. One more time. Inhale, open up your arms and arch. Exhale, tuck your chest in and hunch. Inhale and slowly relax. Let us now start with forward fold on chair. It is great for decompressing the spine and calming the nervous system. For that, you need to spread your feet wide enough. We are going to inhale, raise our hands up. And as we exhale, we are going to bend forward. You can either go halfway or completely drop your hands down and head down. One more time. Inhale, raise up. And exhale and bend forward. One more time. Inhale and raise up. And exhale and bend forward. Inhale, rise up and slowly relax. Let us now start with some ankle and the foot movements. You can just stretch your one leg forward. First crunch the toes. Then flex and stretch your ankles. Inhale, flex, exhale and stretch. And then start with the ankle rotation, doing it for 3 times clockwise and then 3 times anti-clockwise. Maintain a gentle smile on your face as you do the movements. Let us repeat it on the other side. Just stretch your leg forward, crunch the toes first, flex and stretch your foot. Inhale, flex your ankles, curl the toes towards your face, exhale and stretch. Then start with the ankle rotation, doing it for 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. Keep giving cute little smile to your toes and thank your legs as you do the movement. Let us now do the next movement. For that, just come little forward on the chair and alternately lift your legs, hug your knees and slowly drop. On the other side as well, repeat and slowly drop. Let us do 2 more rounds. Hug and release. With a smile, lift your leg up, hug your knees closer to the chest and release. One last round onto the right side and then onto the left side and slowly relax. Now let us feel the stretch in the hamstrings. For that, let us extend our one leg with heels touching the floor and toes up. Then you need to just slowly bend forward. The more you bend down, the more stiffer your hamstrings are. You start feeling the stretch at the back of the knee and the thigh, and then slowly rise up. One more time, let us feel the stretch and enjoy the pain till you're feeling it. Once your hamstrings are unlocked, you won't feel the pain. This is what one of my teachers used to tell. Let us practice it on the other side. Stretch the leg forward. You can even keep the leg in front. Stretch the leg forward, heel on the floor and toes pointing to the ceiling. Now let us bend forward. Wow. And slowly rise up. One more time. Inhale here. As you exhale, slowly bend forward. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. And inhale and slowly rise up. You can go down as much as you can. Just feel the stretch in your hamstrings and release the tension and slowly rise up and relax. Let us now do one last movement to feel the stretch in the quadriceps. For that, let us stand up. Let us stand at the back of the chair. Resting your hands on the head of the chair. You can just lift your one leg up, bring the heel, press it closer to the buttock and feel the stretch in the quadriceps, which is the front of the thigh. And then slowly relax. Repeat it on the other side. Fold the leg. Try to press the heel to the buttock and then slowly relax. Let us do it for one more round. Lift the leg. Pull the heel as close to the buttock as possible. Feel the stretch and slowly release. Let us repeat on the other side. Lift the leg. Press the heel closer to the buttock and slowly release. This is just the beginning. The basics of chair yoga stretches that I have shared with so many desk warriors during my corporate sessions. Even these simple movements practiced regularly can bring immense relief and long-term benefit. They are not just about movement. They are about awareness, pause and self-care even in the middle of a workday. If this helped you, share it with your colleagues. Start stretching together during your breaks. A 5-minute practice can shift the energy of your entire team. And if you would like to go deeper, I conduct online sessions and corporate wellness programs. Drop me a message or check the Clarity Call link in the description to explore. See you soon with more chair yoga practices designed to help you thrive at your desk and beyond. Take care and remember, a few mindful stretches a day can create magic over time. Until we meet next time, Om Namah Shivaya.